Hello, I'm Jami from the Utah Education Network. Welcome to the first episode of UEN Nearpod News. In this monthly video, I'll keep you up to date on all things Nearpod, share tips and tricks, highlight new Nearpod lesson packs, and inform you of local training opportunities to help you become a Nearpod expert. First up today is the exciting news that UEN has signed a statewide contract for Nearpod for 5 years. That means all K-12 educators in the state can use Nearpod's interactive platform to engage and assess students while teaching remotely or in person. If you haven't tried Nearpod yet, you're going to love it. So let's talk about how you get started. To get started using Nearpod, go to nearpod.com and then you're going to use the login button in the top right-hand corner. So you already have an account, so you don't need to sign up, you just need to log in. When I click here on login, then I'm taken to a screen where either teachers or students can log in. The great thing about Nearpod with students, they don't need an account. They just need a code that will direct them to your lesson. So kind of a cool little side feature there. Okay, so to log into your account, use your district email address. That might be a Google or an Office 365, or maybe you're just going to log in using your email address like I am. Once you've logged in, you're taken to your library. Now my library looks a little bit different than what yours will, but all of these thumbnails are lessons that I've created in Nearpod. The cool thing about Nearpod and with our statewide agreement is that we have access to over 8,500 free lessons and videos that are already created for us. To find those, I'm going to click here on the Nearpod Library. I can use the search at the top to search for a topic. Maybe I'm looking for fractions, but I can also use the filters on the left-hand side to filter by standard, subject, or grade. When I find a lesson, I can preview it, I can launch it, I can use it right as it is, or I can edit it to make it a little bit more of what I'm looking for. If you need some help getting started, Nearpod has some great options and so does UEN. To find Nearpod's options, click on your thumbnail in the top right-hand corner and then go to Help and FAQs. From here, you're going to see some teacher resources. If I click on teacher resources, I can attend a live webinar or I can view some getting started videos. These videos are going to be great for beginners just learning how to use Nearpod. If these videos aren't enough for you, you can also check out Nearpod's YouTube channel. And let me tell you, it's great. They have videos on absolutely everything. So a few more options from you come from UEN. All things Nearpod in the state of Utah can be found at uen.org/Nearpod. That's where you'll see our monthly UEN Nearpod news, as well as tutorials to help you get started. We also offer individual courses or professional development for your school. If you'd like to take a course to dig deep into Nearpod, click here on Courses for Individuals. This will take you to our Canvas catalog where you'll see 2 Nearpod courses. The first course that you would be interested in taking would be the Nearpod Certified Educator Beginner course. This is a 15-hour self-paced MOOC where you can work at your own pace to become Nearpod certified. From within this course, you'll learn all things Nearpod, from navigating the library to editing lessons that you find within the Nearpod library, to launching a live or student-paced Nearpod lesson. When you're done with this course, you will be a Nearpod expert. So that's it for our first episode of UEN Nearpod News. I hope you'll join me next time where I'll give some tips and tricks on interactive video. Until then, go to uen.org/Nearpod and join our mailing list. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.